My mom said I'm gonna be a dog, just like my no good daddy.
Seed sown.
He would call me a sissy because I wasn't dancing with girls yet. We ain't raised no fags. He would say, come on, be a man. Get to dancing.
Be a man.
Be a man.
Yeah, sticks and stones can break my bones, but words, they ain't never gonna hurt me.
So I thought. But the words, they just keep haunting you, and the kid inside you, he just never really can grow up properly.
Hey, you get it, hey, boy!
I was so damn young! I wasn't ready yet.
I didn't want to take that dance.
He would touch me. Me and I was young, I didn't know any better. What was I supposed to do? He told me not to tell a soul.
You know what I'm saying? This is what's going on nowadays. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much, this play right here just opened up our eyes to see what's really going on. Because a dude like me, everything pretty much they was talking about, my relatives and my friends, we all been through. So, it's just speaking the truth. And it pretty much just make you go home and just really think about what's going on right now.
I need some crowd participation, right? Right. Y'all didn't come here for another history lesson, right? Right. Y'all came here to chill, relax, have a good time, right? Y'all came to giggle and have a good time, right? Right. Brothers, are we here to have a good time? Hell no. I said, brothers, are we here to have a good time? Hell no.
That was great. It's really refreshing to see the perspective of the black men in our culture, in our society, in our country. And it was fun and it was funny. And they're handsome.
You would tell somebody young, a young dude, like a young man, like 18.
An 18-year-old, I would tell him to look at the big picture.
Look, the two most important days of your life is going to be the day that you're born and the day that you find out why. I was sleeping on my own potential till my son was born. Watching her push, holding her hand as a product of me came out of her.
My daughter will know her father from the day that she is born. I will protect her as long as I can.
What you can do? It ain't like I'm still 5 years old. It ain't like I'm sitting up every night asking my when daddy coming home. Who needs him? He wasn't there to teach me how to shoot my first basketball. I learned it. Got pretty damn good at it. 2 dinner on the field. Yeah, you did. I do my first date without him. Learn how to jog without him. Learn how to save him. Learn how to fight without him. I do 14 great birthdays without him. He didn't even think to send me a damn cartel with him. They don't want me, man.
Hello America, please support this campaign. We're trying to take this to campuses across the nation. We believe in just making an impact in people, but we need your help in order to do it.
You better get a refund. Brother, we're not here to entertain you, all right? We're here to transcend your thinking, fire you up, and leave you out of here, all right? It's up to you if you want to listen to our stories and leave here changed.
Southern trees bear strange fruit. There's blood at the leaves, and there's blood at the roots. Black bodies, swinging in the southern breeze. Strange fruit from a poplar tree. Can you hear my distant screams for help? As this hero without a cape shot a bullet from his millimeter gun into my chest, signing my life's eviction? How can he be let free? I'll never get to see any of my dreams manifest. I'll never get to go to prom or graduate from high school or college. I didn't even get to become a man. I never get to say I do or give my parents grandchildren. Justice and my country failed me the night that I was killed. Then it failed me again when they turned around and set my killer free. Who will cry? Who will stand? Who will be the voice for young men like myself and others?
I'm fair for being lonely. Like, I used to hate it. Like, damn, I gotta be alone. But like Kendrick said, sometimes you gotta be alone. But you can't allow other people to kill your lives.
Baby, you must got a mirror in your pocket. Cause I can see myself in the mirror. I just love the way.
Oh my God!
was gonna tell you this, girl, but
I think I love